remember when I used to think your worst side was the one you waggle at me while you were changing. But I was wrong. This is your worst side.
Wait, did she mean my bum was my bad side? Now, for the vital question. What does a president wear?
What about policies, Nova? What platform will you run on?
I was thinking 7-inch with a silver heel.
Not platform shoes. I mean, the platform where you stand for something.
Right. I stand for shoes.
Nova, please. Being president is actually about caring for people. You're a great pop star, but you're also the kind of person who loses Sid in her own mess.
Sid! I need Sid. Sid, I want you to be my spin doctor.
Really? Because I've always wanted to spin records. I've been practicing, and it's not that kind of spin.
Isn't it? And then the purple pineapple says, I've got the best leaves ever.
And the peach says, sure, whatever you reckon, pineapple.
And the pineapple says, can't
We
just
go
home. And then the pineapple goes home and the peach is left all alone and all sad like he deserves. And can you please get over this skateboard thing? That one's too tall.
They're literally identical.
Those two are too short. That one's okay.
Which one?
That one. Dollargrams.
I just made that up.
I can't promise dancing for me will be easy. I can't promise it will be fun. But I can promise that it'll be easy and fun for me. Are you with me? I said, are you with me?
They can't move. They're not activated yet. They're on standby.
Standby.
Yes, they're standing by the room with the hologram machine in it, waiting to be activated and set up. Right, Sid?
You dead on, McLaren!
Ballads are hard. They just make me sad. You know what? I hate ballads.
And salads!
Why don't I have the feels? Why don't I understand slow songs? Where's Gurgle? He'll comfort Mummy.
He drove his tiny little car down towards McLaren's quarters.
Excuse me, what?
Don't worry, Bubbles! My ship!
My room! My little pumpkin strudel!
Something of mine too!
His Trump must have exploded all my worry bubbles. All my worries. They're back. Like, why have we agreed to play on the planet of the big glass smoke when Nova has no idea how to write a ballad? If he wants to impress Admiral Londo, why has the captain made himself look so silly? Why is it called chocolate mousse when they don't make it out of real mousses? And most importantly, how did I order a pet by mistake? What's his problem? And why doesn't it like me?
All those sonic bomb booms. Maybe he needs a vet.
Everyone, you'd better be at Boulder's next workout session. That means you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Maybe not you. Calling kid songwriter. And you. Do not miss it or Nova Squill goes ultrasonic. Okay, here they come. They're coming. They're coming. They're not coming.
No.
Not this. Anything but this.
Oh, gosh. Nova, that's one of your costumes from when you were...
Don't say another word.
I haven't seen you in that outfit since.
Silence!
Oh, what's going on? Is it a game?
Nova, you're so sensitive about... I'm not sensitive about the time we never talk about. I don't even remember the time we never talk about. Why is everyone going on about the time we never talk about?
Let's not talk about it.
Oh boy. Wait, why do people say oh boy? Why don't they say oh girl?
Ooh, you found Nova's Don't Notice Me coat.
Or what?
Another thing normalites don't understand.
You know how sometimes we need to sneak Nova past her fans without them seeing her?
When I wear the Don't Notice Me coat, the fabric technodoodles make it so they don't notice me.
Sid, you want to help back here? It's quite a long way to bend down. Where's Sid?
I'm right here.
Sydney!
He can't see or hear me?
Nobody can. Well, I can. It's my coat.
Wow! Amazing!
He's waving his hands in front of my face, isn't he?
Offs blob.
You know I got what it takes, ain't nothing that I gotta fake out.
Reminder, it is 7:06 a.m. The new Nova Jones doll is about to be advertised on channel 127.
Yay! Adtastic. Screen on.
The Nova Jones doll is coming soon. The Nova doll sings one of 3 classic Nova Jones songs.
Is that all it does?
Nova Jones is excitingly 10 inches tall. She has 2 thrilling feet, matching arms, and hair on her head.
Those aren't special things. Those are things every doll has.
You approved the designs yesterday, during your foot spa.
Dress Nova in over 1 million different ways. All outfits sold separately.
It only comes with one outfit.
The new Nova Jones doll. As a doll, it'll do.
So, McLaren Pod, first I want the doll to be a lot more like me. It should have my movement skills.
Strong limbs and flexible joints, understood.
It should be super huggable.
Soft material, understood.
It should have my awesome sound quality.
Great speakers, understood.
It needs to be immediately noticeable, command the room instantly, get your attention so you'll never forget it. Oh, and lots of purple.
Nova! Big update. The Royal Jelly representative will call tomorrow.
Why are you phoning? Where are you?
In my room. Doing my filing. I'm not hiding from you.
You're not hiding from me.
Of course not. Where did you get that idea? If you impress the jelly representative, they'll approve you for the Royal Jelly Blobs at Jellysania.
You're saying jelly a lot. Wait. You mean audition? You are hiding from me.
It's a great opportunity. And it's the rules.
Me? Nova Jones? Audition? For jelly? You're deliberately avoiding being here so you can't see my angry but breathtaking showbiz face.
No, just... Oh, hang on. Speaker not working.
But I am scared of jelly. There's no way I can do the audition or Jellysania. But you're Nova Jones. You should be scared of anything. Well, exactly, Wait, what, Blop? Hi. I'm Avone. As in, Nova spelt backwards. A-V-O-N. Avon. It's Avone. The Space Fair mirror. Careful. You don't want to get sucked into the mirror world. I'm joking. That's not possible. So, are you really, really famous here or what? I usually had about 10 more reelies. Are you not famous? No, I'm your reflection. Some stuff the same, some totally opposite. Opposite how? Like, what number am I thinking of? One. Because why would you think of any number that isn't number 1? Salad. Terrible or tasty? Totally tasty. What's your best selfie face? What's your favourite thing to do when bored? Shout my sister's name really loud? Same. Johnnicky. Rubbish or radical? Okay, enough of that. think it's time these twinnies had some fun.